5 hours. So that is not going to help anyone. Fine. So this is complete. Now you have understood.
सर वो स्पेस भी लिमिटेड रहती है इसमें.
स्पेस तो लिमिटेड है ही है, वही तो चैलेंज है ना.
yes, sir.
अगर अनलिमिटेड स्पेस और अनलिमिटेड टाइम दे दिया जाए तो आधी पॉपुलेशन आईएएस बन जाती.
राइट सर.
हर ही कोई आईएएस बन जाता. Now let's discuss some reasons for poor marks. Some reasons for poor marks. Give me some reasons for poor marks.
Sir, at times people have not practiced enough. तो वो एक flow में एक चीज लिखते हैं and then after some time they recall something else, then they try to add it. So basically to maintain the flow, I've heard, is a bigger challenge than content at times.
You have heard whatever you have heard, you have heard it correctly. That is the biggest challenge. In fact, very decent people sometimes fall short of maintaining flow. Right? And this is what you have to practice. Is this your first mains or what?
First mains.
First mains. What is your optional?
Economics.
Economics. Okay. ठीक है. Lack of practice. Flow is missing. What else?
और सर वो pressure, because it's a 125 marks. At the back of your head, you know कि आपने 4 subjects पढ़े और उसमें से आपको एक JS1 करना है. And this is so valuable. If you do it well, it can give you a leap forward. So I have experienced that pressure in one of the mock essays that I was taking.
That is there. Under pressure, actually, even the best of the minds buckle up. Right?
Because 125 marks is too much. और इसमें तो time limit का भी इतना problem नहीं है. You have almost.
But again, the essay is one of the paper which gives you the very good platform to achieve 140, 150 marks. I tell you, if you have that art and that knack in you, essay is one paper and ethics is another, wherein you actually can get an edge of very good marks of certain significant numbers from your competitors. These are the things wherein your skill and your creativity comes into picture. It is difficult as well as it is easy. Easy for those who have got the knack of scoring in essay. Easy for those who have got the knack of scoring in ethics. Because scoring in essay and ethics is different from scoring in other GS papers. That is there.
True, right? Sir. और इसमें कुछ भूलने का भी pressure नहीं रहता that you forgotten facts.
That is what
you forgotten data.
True. So third reason is gross misinterpretation of the topic. At times this is there, right? Fourth is that when a candidate show off his superficial thought process, very superficial kind of arguments, which does not have any depth in them. So ये दिखाता है shallowness of personality. ये रीजन और ज्यादा एविडेंट बन के अब उभर के आ रहा है when UPSC has started giving philosophical essays. यहां पे आर्ग्यूमेंट बहुत ज्यादा शैलो हो जा रहे हैं लोगों के, राइट? वेयर इन फिलोसॉफिकल essays, अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे आगे, they demand certain kind of gravity in ideas. They demand certain kind of depth in ideas. अब फिलॉसफी में तुम देखो ना कितनी अगर एक छोटा सा स्टेटमेंट है लेकिन उसका हिडन मीनिंग कितना डीप होता है, राइट? सो वही डेप्थ तुम्हारे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स में भी होनी चाहिए. जैसे हम कहें फॉर दैट मैटर एओ ह्यूम कह के गया है रीजन इज द स्लेव ऑफ पैशन. नाउ इट इज अ वेरी डीपर आर्ग्यूमेंट. यू हैव टू सी बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द कॉइन. अगर बहुत सुपरफिशियल आइडियाज लिखोगे, बहुत सुपरफिशियल थॉट्स लिखोगे तो फिलोसफिकल आइडिया में फिर नंबर काफी कम हो जाता है. ओके, देन व्हाट कुड बी अदर रीजन? 4 pertinent reasons we have discussed. Another reason is failure to allocate time properly. Mismanagement of time. लोग एक ऐसे में ज्यादा दे देते हैं और दूसरे में कम. इसके कुछ रीजन हम कल डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, तो वो रिवाइज कर लेना कि क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है, क्यों ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग में कहां पे गलती हो रही है, कब ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करें, क्या करें. ये छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स हैं, लेकिन with respect to this exam, the enormity of these points is very vast. You have to understand this. When we discuss, they would seem to you that, oh, kitna chota point hai ye. But actually the enormity of these points come disproportionately when you write UPSC mains exam. So you need to understand the hidden meaning, and you have to read between the lines what we are discussing. Okay? Then your arguments are such